Today's story is I Can Help. Let's see all the ways kids like you can lend a helping hand. Let's read together. I can help at home. I can help make my bed. I can help pick up my toys. I can help feed the dog. I can help water the plants. I can help with the laundry. I can put my shoes in a bin. I can help my sister. I can help my brother. I can put my toys back on the shelf. I can help wipe the table. I can help set the table. I can put my coat on. I can help with dinner. I can help clean it up. We can help together. Sight word review. I can help my the with. Great job! Now see and say it alone. Great job helping out. Don't forget, every small action makes a big difference. See you next time.
Thanks for learning, thanks for fun. With Jen, our journey's just begun. Phonics, stories, grammar too. 1, 2, Tutor-me's here for you. Laughed, we learned, we had a blast. Building skills that will surely last. So keep on reading, writing more. Adventures waiting, let's explore. Click subscribe, don't miss a beat. With Jen, learning is a treat. See you next time, friends so true. 1, 2, Tutor-me says thank you.